Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Fortnite is available on Huawei Nova 11i. And to do this we'll need to open our app gallery. Right here find Epic Games and install it. When it's ready, click on the open. We need to allow some permissions. Then there's update required. And inside there's a Fortnite which we can click on and then install it, and that confirms that this device does support it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.